Good evening, student. Next, we can move to the topic of milling machine. There is a three type of milling machines as we available in industries. One of the horizontal milling machine, another one of the vertical milling machine, another one of the universal milling machine. Vertical milling head attachment supplied at the extra cost. Milling machine. Milling is the cutting operation that remove metal by feeding the work against a rotating cutter having single or multiple cutting edges. Flat or curved surface of many shapes can be machined by milling with good finish and accuracy. A milling machine may also be used for drilling, slotting, making a circular profile, and gear cutting by having suitable attachment. Milling machine. Workpiece is a holding on work table of the machine. The table movement controls the feed of workpiece against the rotating cutter. The cutter is mounted on a spindle or arbor and revolves at high speed. Except for rotation, the cutter has no other motion. As the workpiece advances, the cutter teeth remove the metal from the surface of workpiece and a desired shape is produced. Milling machine. Milling method. There are two distinct methods of milling classified as up milling or conventional milling and down milling or clamp milling. Up milling or conventional milling procedure. In the up milling or conventional milling, the metal is removed in form of small chip by a cutter rotating against the direction of travel of the workpiece. In this type of milling, the chip thickness is minimum at the start to the cut minimum at the end of the cut. Principle of up milling. Down milling or climb milling. Down milling is also known as climb milling. In this method, the metal is removed by a cutter rotating in the same direction of feed of workpiece. The effect of this is that the teeth cut downward instead of upwards. Chip thickness is maximum at the start of the cut and a minimum in the end. The principle of down milling. Below the diagram is explain of the down milling or climb milling. Milling machines. Horizontal milling machine construction. Main part of machines: base, column, knee, saddle, table, overarm, arbor support, and elevating screw. A column and a knee type milling machine. A top of this wheeling head and spindle milling cutter. Bottom side knee screw jack to take a knee saddle table work. Base. It gives support and rigidity to the machine. What is the base? Base using gives support and rigidity to the machine and also act as a reservoir for the cutting blade. Column. Column in the main supporting frame mounted vertically on base. Column is box shaped, heavily ribbed inside and houses all the driving mechanism for spindle and table feed. Milling machine. Knee. Knee is the rigid casting mounted on the front face of column. A knee moves vertically along the guide wheel and this movement enables to adjust the distance between cutter and the job mounted on the table. The adjustment is obtained manually or automatically by operating the elevating screw provided below knee. Milling machine. Saddle. The saddle rests on the knee and constitutes the intermediate part between the knee and the table. The saddle moves transversely, crosswise, or guideway provided on the knee. Overarm. The overarm is mounted on the top of column and guided in perfect alignment by machined surface. The overarm is support for arbor. Arbor support. The arbor support is lifted to the overarm and can be clamped at any location in the overarm. Its function is to align the support various arbor. The arbor is machined shaft that to hold and drive the cutters. Elevating screw. The upward and downward movement out to the knee and the table is given by elevating screw that is operated by hand or an automatic feed. Table. The table rests on guideway in the saddle and provides support to the work. The table is made of cast iron. Its top surface accurately machined and carries T-slots which accommodate the clamping bolt for fixing the work. The work table and ends the job fitted on its given motion in the three direction. Another topic of type of milling machine. According to general design, the distinctive type of milling machines are column and knee type milling machine, hand milling machine, horizontal milling machine, universal milling machine, vertical milling machine. 2. Planar milling machine. 3. Fixed bed type milling machine. simplex milling machine, tubelex milling machine, triplex milling machine. Type of milling machines. According to general design, the distinctive type of milling machines: machining center machine, special type of milling machine. Special type of milling machines are rotatable milling machine, planetary milling machine, profiling milling machine, duplicating machine, pantograph milling machine, continuous milling machine, drum milling machine, profiling and tracer controlled milling machine. Type of milling machine: column and knee type milling machine, vertical milling machine, horizontal milling machine. Horizontal milling machine, vertical milling machine. The horizontal milling machine, the table fixed on and workpiece move on the horizontal. The vertical milling machine, the vertical machines, this is a cutter to be move on vertical sides. Omniversal milling machine. Next, on the fixed type milling machine. This is the spindle head adjustable type. This arbor is fixed type. The work table to move fixed bed. The only cutter only move and one place to another place.